Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. For this week's Week in Review, July 21st, 2024. I've been trying to say the stocks were trying to top here. You see here the Wyckoff wave. We did have a little bit of a negative inharmonious action. A lot of volume coming in, but all we could do is go to one minor new high and reverse Thursday, Friday. I still think we're back in the trading range here for an up thrust heading lower. The Wyckoff wave new index had, I mentioned, a overbought technometer there late last week. We have tried to roll over here as well. Technometer 41, so let's look still for a little bit lower. Wyckoff wave growth index also had that sell up there a week ago. Nice little pullback in the growth stocks. Let's look for a little bit lower. SPY, same type of thing, trying to roll over, a couple sell-offs, and looks like we maybe have taken the bullish sentiment out, headed lower. TLT I've talked about still higher, maybe a little sideways correction here for last week. So let's look for TLT to catch itself and still make new highs above that 94 level. Crude I've talked about still higher after the 72.50 low that we liked. Nice little sell-off here Thursday, Friday. So again, let's look for it to catch itself here around that 77.50 level or so, 78. See if we can turn higher. XLE did outperform last week until Friday's sell-off. So we are long at 90.80 or 92.37. Let's again look for that to catch itself and turn higher. Gold, I've been looking for higher. I thought about maybe we could have a little bit of backing and filling. Looks like that's the case. Does look like we had an up thrust there, so we will watch that. But no big volume came in Thursday, Friday. So again, let's look for it to catch itself and still turn higher. Same type of thing on gold and silver. Dollar was looking for a move down to that 103 level. Still looks like that's the case. Let's look for still lower. Bitcoin I mentioned about being long. We did take profits above 64.4, I believe it was. So took some gains there. And we are up here at 68,000, but I do think we'll stop up here and still pull back maybe to that 62,000 level before higher. Ethereum, I talked about being long down there at 29.75. We did sell 34.72. So we've taken profits there. We're a little bit higher short term, but not much else going on. Let's look for a pullback there. Also, a few stocks for the Pro Traders Group. Deluxe Corp followed the IWM higher this week. Little pullback Thursday, Friday. But again, let's look forward to catch itself, see if we can continue higher. QFIN maybe had a spring Thursday, Friday. Let's see if it can also continue higher. And Urban Outfitters, we're long there from 41, I think it is, and change. Sitting here at 46.43. I'm going to watch this one closely before we look for higher or maybe take profits, buy back lower. Have a great week trading.